Hi folks, time for me to leave the Pueblo. So let's do just a little walkthrough and then I want to take you all the way to Madrid. But yeah, this is my house. I want to say goodbye to you for now. Yeah. So that was the living room. And this is the downstairs bedroom where I keep my bike. Walk over here. That's the kitchen. I have the fridge open. You wonder why I have a little fridge? Well, I don't eat that much. So it's just one person. So yeah, that's my kitchen. And patio outside. Everything's put up. And we have the bathroom. Woohoo, bathroom. Okay, let's go upstairs real quick. Of course, I have to turn off the lights still. We turn the breaker off and then we'll be on our way. We'll load the Volvo. That's the master bedroom. There's Jesus. And here's another bedroom upstairs. All right, that's basically the house. So let's get going. Okay, folks. First stop is the gas station. So, yep, gas around here is about $6 a gallon. So, yeah, who's complaining? So the whole order was $60. And of course, when I get near Madrid, I'm gonna have to fill this vehicle back up because you have to return the rental with the full tank of gas. So we'll see how long it will take me to get to Madrid. Let me see. Right now, it is. What time is it? It is 20 minutes after 11. So, yeah, we'll see how long it takes. I estimate it'll take me about 4 hours. So we'll see, folks. Alright, so we're riding through the Meseta. The Meseta is full of wind turbines. That's how they get the electricity here. It's pretty amazing to see, actually. So, yeah. On to Madrid. Okay, so we're making good progress here. It's about 36 kilometers to the interstate. So the landscape is changing a little bit. You see more hills. So when we come to the interstate, we do have to go through the Sierra. So there's a tunnel which we're going to take, hopefully, and not go over it. So I'm just kind of trusting the GPS to lead me the right way here, but the GPS tells me I'm going to be there in about 2 hours and 19 minutes, so that's pretty good. So one fun thing to do here is every time you come through a little town to try to pronounce the names of them. They have really long names for the towns. It's hard to keep it in focus. Alright, I'll get back to you after a while. Yeah, so we're in the Provincia de Burgos now. I am so glad that I decided to come back to Madrid today rather than in the morning in the dark. So you can't see anything in the dark. So yeah, it's super cool. So we're another 23k away from the interstate, then it's not gonna be so great, but this part here, oh, it's just so nice, and everything's so green. They have started the planting season. I'm not sure what they're planting, but yeah, everything is just completely green, and they have their irrigation systems up and running, and yeah, this is the Provincia de Burgos. Hi folks, so I started on Interstate A1 to Madrid, and I'm at a rest stop right here. So the good thing about rest stops in Spain is when you when you drive on the interstate, they have these service roads. So it's like easy off, easy back on. You don't have to drive into town. It's just a rest stop on the side. This actually has a restaurant with it, but I just got a Coke and some what did I get? Some Haribo Star Mix. That's gonna be good. So yeah, I'm not really hungry because I had a good breakfast at the house. So all right, on with our journey to Madrid. Hello everybody. So this video skips all the way over to where I already gave up my car, the rental car, and I'm at the Ibis Budget Hotel. So yeah, let me tell you, it was a harrowing drive through the mountains, and it wouldn't have been so bad if I had thought of getting gas, because you have to fill up the gas tank completely right before you turn in the car, right? So I missed my opportunity to get gas. So then I had to go round and round and round until I finally got a gas station. And then I didn't know how to use it, but I do now. It's a complicated process how to use an automated payment system there. But anyway, it's all good. And yeah, so it turns out that I spent, let's see, it was 25 plus 52. That's the total that I spent on gas. So it's not really that bad if you think about it. So this place here is pretty cool. Last time I stayed here, I had a fabulous view of the city. I don't this time, but it's okay. So at 6 o'clock they have food. So that nice restaurant by the roadside, it is apparently not going to be open today. So you know it is Easter. Yeah, tomorrow's Easter, but so this place here has food. So at 6 o'clock, I guess I'll partake. It may be a pizza. I don't know. We'll see. But it's not open yet because it's not 6 o'clock yet. In 5 minutes, supposedly, they're going to open up. And yeah, so I'm going to sit down. And what I'm going to do is actually finish, well, I don't know if I'll finish the whole thing, but I'm going to attempt to finish my book. So what is my book? And there you have it, Project Hail Mary. It's actually pretty good. So I've not seen the movie, and I don't want to see the movie until I finish the book. So I'm doing pretty good. So pretty far into it. Let's see. I'm on page 245. Yep, 245. All right. So that was my trip to Madrid. So tomorrow it's gonna be time to get back on the airplane and head back home, and I should be home by Sunday night, midnight. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Then I have to drive home from the airport, from the Knoxville airport, all the way. That's another 35-40 minutes in the dark. So it's a good thing I undertook this trip here today, because it's a whole lot easier to drive during the daytime than at night. It would have been terrible to drive at night. But yeah, it is hot, by the way. Madrid, it's like an oven. Not like the Pueblo. The Pueblo was nice and cool. It's windy, and yeah, what can I say? This is Madrid. It's gonna get worse here too as time goes by. All right, folks. It's time to get back to my book.